Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and isolation. First, charge the Solo 3 above 50% and turn them off, then plug a known good 3.5 cable into both the headphones and another phone or laptop. Once done, check your source's audio balance and any accessibility mono settings so you know whether this is a Bluetooth, cable, or internal speaker issue. Make sure to clean the jack and ear cup seam with a soft cloth so dirt isn't causing a false contact. You now move to software and inspection. Start with a factory reset. Hold the power and volume buttons per beats reset instructions for about 10 seconds, because firmware glitches often mute one side. Then, pair again and check for a firmware update through the host device. Updates can correct driver routing. Next, examine the ear cup seam and cable strain relief for detached wires. If the wired test failed earlier, wiggle the plug and watch for intermittent sound to locate a loose connection. You finish with targeted repairs and verification. If you're comfortable, remove the ear cushion and open the ear cup to reseat the speaker connector. Many one-side failures come from a loose plug or torn solder joint. Replace the cable or driver if visibly damaged. Once reassembled, test wired first, then Bluetooth. This confirms the fix across both paths. If sound still fails on one side, stop and seek professional repair or Beats service. Before that, do one last factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.